Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Thanks for joining us. Today, we've got a brand new story to share with you. So let's begin. Marriage is meant to be a partnership, a deep, enduring connection built on love, respect, and mutual care. That was the belief I held when I married Lisa 6 years ago. I wasn't a perfect man, but I was a devoted husband. I worked tirelessly to provide for us, paid the bills, and made sure she always came first. I thought that was enough. But somewhere along the way, something shifted. At first, it was subtle, small changes that I barely noticed or chose to ignore. She stopped kissing me goodbye in the mornings, something that had once been second nature to her. Date nights, which we used to cherish, became infrequent and eventually stopped altogether. Even within the walls of our home, she treated me like a stranger, as if we were nothing more than two people cohabiting rather than a married couple. I tried to rationalize it. Maybe she was stressed, work, life, or something deeper that she wasn't ready to talk about. I wanted to give her space, to be patient, to be the understanding husband she deserved. Every time I asked if something was wrong, she would barely glance up from her phone and say, asterisk, I'm fine. Asterisk, but she wasn't fine. And neither was our marriage. One evening, after dinner, I finally decided that enough was enough. I needed to talk to her, really talk to her. As I washed the last dish and wiped my hands, I turned to see her on the couch, scrolling through her phone, completely detached. I walked over and sat beside her. Asterisk, Lisa, we need to talk. Asterisk, she barely looked up. Asterisk, about what? Asterisk, I took a deep breath, steadying myself. Asterisk, about us. About how distant you've been. You don't talk to me like you used to. You don't even look at me the same way. And intimacy, it's been months. Asterisk, she sighed heavily, as if she was already exhausted by the conversation before it even began. Asterisk, I don't see why that's such a big deal. Asterisk, I blinked. Asterisk, Lisa, we're married. We're supposed to be connected emotionally and physically. Asterisk, finally, she put her phone down and crossed her arms. Asterisk, I don't have to be intimate with you just because we're married. Asterisk, her words hit me like a punch to the gut. That's not what I'm saying. I replied carefully. Asterisk, but intimacy isn't just about physicality. It's about closeness, about love, about the bond we share. Asterisk, she scoffed. Asterisk, so you think just because we signed a piece of paper, I owe you my body? Asterisk, my jaw tightened. Asterisk, that's not what I think at all. But I do believe that marriage is more than just coexisting under the same roof. It's about connection. And you completely shut me out. Asterisk, she rolled her eyes, her voice dripping with indifference. Asterisk, well, if that's what you expect from me, then maybe I'm just not that kind of wife. Asterisk, and that was it. That was the moment I realized I was the only one fighting for our marriage. I had spent years giving her everything, my love, my time, my effort, and she had given me nothing in return. Something inside me shifted. All right, I said quietly, standing up. She finally looked up, her brows furrowing. Asterisk, what? Asterisk, I grabbed my jacket from the chair. For the first time in a long time, I felt nothing, no anger, no heartbreak, just clarity. Asterisk, I hear you loud and clear. Asterisk, her frown deepened. Asterisk, where are you going? Asterisk, I turned to face her, really looking at her, the woman I had once loved, the woman I had built a life with. And for the first time, all I saw was someone who had stopped loving me a long time ago. I'm leaving, I said simply. Her eyes widened in shock. Asterisk, you're overreacting. Asterisk, I shook my head. Asterisk, no, I've just finally had enough. Asterisk, she scoffed, but in her eyes there was something else, something she hadn't expected. She had assumed I would always stay, no matter how she treated me. But she was wrong. That night, I walked out the door without looking back. I stayed in a hotel for a while, trying to clear my head. A part of me expected her to call, to apologize, to fight for us. But she didn't. Instead, a week later, she sent me a single text. Asterisk, are you really leaving over this? Grow up. Asterisk, And that was all I needed to know. The next day, I filed for divorce. At first, she didn't take it seriously. She thought I would come crawling back, that I was just making a point. But when the papers arrived, reality finally hit her. That's when she called, begging, crying, promising to change. But it was too late. Love isn't just about words. It's about actions. And her actions had already shown me where I stood in her life. Looking back, walking away was the best decision I ever made. Because marriage isn't about obligation. It's about mutual effort, love, and respect. And I finally realized I deserved all three. I wasn't going to settle for anything less ever again. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you really like our videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.